Today we're going to show you how to make a burrito bowl, and we're also going to show you how not to wrap a burrito. Let's see what the chef has to say about my technique. We're going to start off with the chicken thighs since they're a little bit juicier than the breast, and if they're not from Costco, I don't want to talk. Let's start with the seasoning. Use a generous amount of salt, ground black pepper, our head chef says that garlic powder is up next, and he actually likes his chicken a little extra garlic. Add the paprika while the head chef messes around with the cumin. Sprinkle in some oregano. We were finally able to figure out how the lid works on the cumin, so let's use that. And let's not forget to season both sides of the chicken. Now let's start on the pico de gallo. Our head chef is going to start cutting the onions. He's actually been working on a new technique. After dicing the onions, let's see how that technique is coming along.
Вкусно? Wow.
Dice the tomatoes next. Unfortunately, our head chef got a little bit hungry, so we're not going to be able to use his tomato. Roll up the cilantro into a bunch and start slicing. Add in salt and pepper to taste. Roll out the lemon on the cutting board so it'll release the juices easier. And of course, let's have us a taste test. For best results, use tortilla chips.
Вкусно?
Set a pan on medium-high heat and at the same time set the rice. And don't forget the salt. Start assembling and enjoy your meal. And here's a bonus clip after the chef gave me a private lesson on how to roll burritos.